Last week on Weather Kids, we learned how thunderstorms form, and today we are making it rain. Meteorologist Reece Cole did an experiment with students in Allegan County. Check it out.
All right, we're back again in Mrs. Boyle's third grade class, and this time with warm water and ice, we're going to be able to make it rain. So just in a clear jar, able to add some steaming water. We'll just top it off. And as that water condenses with a hot plate over top of it, with a cold plate rather, all that steam is going to evaporate. All that water will continue to evaporate and catch on the rim of the jar as well as on the plate. And once we put some ice on top of it, it's going to condense and it's going to start to see drops and all the moisture come down from the plate. If you can see, kids, do you see the moisture on the rim? So that's all eventually going to fall, and that's how it rains with clouds. So the warm air evaporates from the ground, it catches into the clouds, but the clouds in the air up top is cold like the ice, and then it falls down as rain. So you can see more drops starting to catch on the rim, and those are eventually going to fall back down into the water. It takes a little bit of time to develop, and that's why storms happen although in a different scale, they happen slowly, because it takes time for that water to evaporate. And it's got to travel, collect all the cold air from the ice, and then it falls back down as rain. So you can continue to see that moisture collecting on the jar, and that'll fall back down. See how thick it's getting around the rim? Yeah. A lot of moisture collecting there. That's a cloud forming, all that moisture, and then it's going to fall back down as rain. All right, well, that's the Making It Rain experiment in Mrs. Boyle's third grade class. We'll be back next week, and we're going to be talking about making a cloud in a jar as well. For now, I'm meteorologist Reece Cole.
Thank you, Reece. Always a good time. And if you want to check out all of our Weather Kids experiments, all you got to do is head to fox17online.com/weather.